Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Makita mower is probably one of the most sought-after lawn mowing machines in the market, known for its powerful engine, self-propelled convenience, and exceptional cutting performance. This video will provide an in-depth review of the Makita self-propelled lawn mower, exploring its key features, benefits, and drawbacks to help you decide if it's the right choice for your lawn care needs. We will cover everything from its ease of use and maneuverability to its cutting height adjustments and overall durability, ensuring you have all the information you need to make an informed purchase decision. Number 5. Makita XML08PT1 Kit. This is the Makita XML08PT1, a powerful and versatile cordless lawn mower. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use, making yard work a breeze. Enjoy effortless mowing with its self-propelled function. Variable speed control lets you adapt to different terrains and grass types. It features a unique 4-bay battery system for double the runtime compared to standard models. This means you can mow larger areas without interruption. This mower is powered by two 18V LXT batteries, and you can add 2 more for even longer operation. It's built to handle tough jobs with ease. With 4 18V LXT 5.0 Ah batteries, it can mow up to half an acre on a single charge. That's a lot of lawn covered quickly and efficiently. For a limited time, purchase this kit and receive 2 extra batteries absolutely free. That's a total of 4 high-capacity batteries included. What we like. It boasts a wide cutting deck and comes with 4 batteries for extended run time. The self-propelled feature makes mowing large areas effortless. If you have a large yard and need long run time, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The unit arrived with no damage. It assembled with ease. After mowing 3,200 square feet, only 1/3 of one battery was used. Incredible. The suction keeps our lawn free of clippings and very clean in appearance. Battery life is excellent. Number 4. Makita XML06PT1 Kit. Say goodbye to gas and hello to the future of lawn care. This powerful mower offers a cleaner, quieter, and more convenient mowing experience. It's self-propelled, so you can effortlessly navigate any terrain. Variable speed control lets you adjust the pace to match your needs. It boasts an impressive runtime thanks to its innovative 4-bay battery system. You'll get twice the mowing time compared to standard models. It's powered by 2 18V LXT batteries, and you can even add 2 more for extended use on larger properties. It's ready for any challenge. It features a durable commercial-grade steel deck, ensuring years of reliable performance. It's built to withstand the demands of professional use. No more gas, oil, or pull cords. It requires minimal maintenance, saving you time and money. What we like. It features a durable commercial-grade steel deck built for longevity and it's surprisingly quiet. The self-propelled function ensures smooth operation. If you are looking for a robust and quiet mower for professional use, this one is for you. What people say. The design elements of this mower are all excellent. The wheels all have sealed cartridge bearings on them. Everywhere you look on this machine, you see solid mechanical engineering everywhere. The way the bag fits, the way that the mulching plug fits, every detail is sweated on this thing. The drive mechanism can be used with the blades are stopped. This allows you to get up a steep gravel drive without kicking gravel everywhere and taking the nice sharp edge off your blades. It maneuvers around bushes and trees with ease and is lightweight. Number 3. Makita XML07PT1 Kit. Say hello to effortless lawn care. It's the powerful, cordless solution you've been waiting for, with 0 emissions and minimal maintenance. Forget gas, oil, and pull cords. It starts quickly and easily, making yard work a breeze. It comes with 4 high-capacity batteries for extended run time. You can even add 2 more for even longer use. This mower features a durable commercial-grade steel deck, built to withstand tough conditions and provide years of reliable service. It offers mulching, bagging, and side discharge options, giving you the flexibility to tackle any lawn care task. Experience the power and convenience of cordless technology with this innovative lawn mower. It's the smart choice for a healthy lawn and a healthy planet. What we like. This model offers versatility with mulching, bagging, and side discharge options and a durable commercial-grade steel deck. It also runs quietly. If you like options and need a durable machine, this is the one for you. What people say. Cuts taller grass easily when on 4 or higher height setting. Batteries don't drain as fast on 4 or higher setting. Easy to push on higher height settings. Number 2. Makita XML03CM1 Kit. Say goodbye to gas and hello to cordless convenience. This mower offers powerful performance with zero emissions. It's incredibly easy to use, with no more pull starts or oil mixing. Enjoy a smooth, quiet operation. This machine boasts a powerful brushless motor that spins up to 3,300 RPM. It's built to handle even the toughest jobs. With quiet mode, it runs at a reduced 2,500 RPM, making it perfect for noise-sensitive areas. You'll appreciate the peace and quiet. Featuring 4 high-capacity 18V batteries, it can cut over 1/3 of an acre in under 45 minutes. Get the job done quickly and efficiently. It's built to last with a commercial-grade steel deck and a comfortable, rubberized handle. This is a mower built for longevity. Easily adjust the cutting height to your needs, ranging from 13/16 to 3 inches. Get the perfect cut every time. Experience the power and convenience of cordless lawn care. This is the ultimate solution for a beautifully maintained lawn. What we like. It offers a quiet mode for noise-sensitive areas and a durable steel deck. It's efficient and comfortable to use. If you prioritize quiet operation and comfort, this mower is ideal for you. What people say. Weighs 80 pounds and it's a tank. I read a lot of bad reviews on top-rated top-selling units that were lighter weight plastic that arrived broken or parts broke during use. Don't see that happening here. The dual 18V, 36V total, 4Ah batteries are awesome. I mow about 1,800 square feet of lawn every 5 days and I've had the mower for 2 months. I use the highest setting rather than econo. I am just recharging the batteries for the first time in the rapid charger. Makita batteries are great and charge optimally with a couple of years of daily heavy use. The mower cuts well in one pass, and I only use 1 bar of the 4 fully charged batteries. My run time is an hour, and it is consistently the same use of energy each time. The sweep of the blade is strong enough to pick up some loose materials such as leaves and twigs and of course all the grass. Number 1. Makita XT287 Combo Kit. This powerful combo kit is a must-have for any serious DIYer or professional. It features 2 tools with brushless motors for exceptional performance and long run times. It boasts a blower that moves an impressive amount of air. You'll appreciate the cruise control and variable speed for precise control. This blower delivers up to 459 CFM of air volume and 116 miles per hour air velocity. The inline fan design provides better balance and comfort during use. The included string trimmer is just as impressive. It spins at up to 6,000 RPM for efficient trimming. It features a high-low button for power management, allowing you to adjust it to the task at hand. This ensures optimal performance and extended battery life. Both tools are powered by Makita's reliable 18V LXT lithium-ion battery. Enjoy cordless freedom and exceptional performance. Both tools are designed with ergonomics in mind. They are comfortable to use, even during extended periods of operation. What we like. This isn't a lawn mower, but a combo kit with a powerful blower and string trimmer. Both tools feature brushless motors for efficiency and long run time. If you need a versatile tool for yard cleanup, this kit is a great option. What people say. Works as expected, typical high-quality Makita product. Not comparable to a 28 cubic centimeters gas trimmer as the thin line limits the ability to cut thicker growth. But it works excellently with up to 12-inch high grass-type weeds. I was able to weed eat for about 1-2 hours, using half the indicated charge, on the lower setting with the provided 4Ah battery. Where the Makita really shines is in its power and weight. It's noticeably more powerful and lighter than the Black & Decker, making trimming faster and less tiring. As for the blower, it absolutely blows the Black & Decker out of the water. It's far more powerful, and I've been able to get my yard work done much faster with it. The trimmer works very well for cutting down tall grass and weeds. The blower is plenty powerful and really impressive, to be honest. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.